Hey, Jack. Hi. Hey, girl. What? In a minute.
You said that 2 minutes ago.
Yeah, well.
In 2 minutes.
I'm just waiting for it to be really hot. It's still too cold.
I'm going to disappear.
Okay. Who do you want to say hi to? You? Jump in, go down.
Hi, Virginia people.
That's a good one. Where did Jack go? There he is.
Ozzy, you really should do that in public.
Okay, wave. Say bye.